Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix this error that is currently not installing on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, we might need to make some fixes or quick fixes on your PC. Click on your Windows Start menu and then look for CMD or command prompt. Make sure to run this as the admin. Then just run the SFC scan now first, space slash scan now. This might take a few minutes depending on your PC's performance. And once this reached 100% completion, it will repair any corrupted files on your Windows. Once this step is done, we can now proceed and look for services here instead. Okay. Services, click on it. Then I want you to focus on three things: app readiness, background intelligent transfer service, and Windows update. Okay, these three. Go ahead, right click, go to properties, and make sure the startup type is set to automatic always. All right. And if their status is not set to start, just make sure to click on start. Go ahead, click on apply and then OK. Then you can now close this window. And the last resort would be to go and look for the Microsoft Update Catalog. We can search for the exact updates you need, all right? And then click on this website. So just make sure to select the appropriate OS that you currently have for your Windows. And then once you've selected, go ahead and click on download and just manually install this yourself. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.